Can you hear that? This is the sound of Hanoi. So this is the sound of Hanoi, still half asleep, but for a true Hanoi like me, this is the moment of a new beginning. A new day, new energy, and new adventures are calling. You see, in Hanoi, a new day doesn't just begin with the sunrise, but with pure energy. So this is how we kickstart our morning, breathing in the fresh air, recharging our bodies, and now that's the batteries full. It's probably time to fill up this machine, my bike, and immortally, my rumbling stomach. Alright, the machine is ready. Welcome to the fast and curious Hanoi Local Mode. Let's go. In this very first episode, I'm gonna take you to a whirlwind tour through Hanoi walking street to discover 3 iconic foods that any Hanoi people would probably say that they are absolutely impressive. Buckle up, away, put on your helmet. Because we are going fast, we are going curious. And the most importantly, we are doing it through Hanoi local style. Let's go. Hanoi mornings are truly a symphony of light. Look, do you see these ancient streets and buildings? Behind every window, there's a story. That is Hanoi for you, beauty hidden in every alley, every tiny detail. But right now, my nose is telling me we are almost at our first stop. Get ready. Okay, this one is our first must-try dish on the list. It's Bun Cha, the group home with Vermicelli Noodles. Let's get inside. Look at this flavor. It's not just food, it's the whole story of Hanoi. What makes the dish so impressive is this incredible balance. The smoky, perfectly grilled pork patties and slices, the fresh vermicelli, and that dipping sauce. This one is the magical blend of sweet, sour, and salty, and a hint of spicy from the chili. This specific spot, local know the grill game is the next level. And the herbs, they just tie it all together perfectly. This is absolutely fantastic. This is how we kickstart a day in Hanoi. But we still have 2 more dishes still waiting for us. Let's go. This, my friends, is the real Hanoi. Not just the grand boulevard, but the little alley. Each one is the world unto itself, brimming with stories. Do you see that right here? There are many Asian communal houses like this, hidden away for centuries. A silent of witness to countless generations. Hanoi never ceases to amaze me. Chắc cho cháu một sốt bánh khúc bình thường. Our second dish is Bánh Khúc, the sticky rice with mung bean and pork. This is a simple yet incredibly satisfying breakfast that you will find at almost every local market. What makes it so impressive is the combination of texture and the flavor. The fragrant, sticky, glutinous rice filled with the creamy, rich mashed mung bean. And then my favorite part is the pork. And usually we're gonna dip it to this one with sesame and salt. It's savory and little sweet, a bit spicy from the pepper. Unbelievably comforting, pure genius. Every dish in Hanoi has its own soul, its own story. And for me, discovering them on my trusty bike is the absolute best way to understand this city. You guys see this one? This one is the B-52 leg, and right there is the part of the B-52 aircraft. I will talk about this one in the next episode. Okay? Hanoi streets are not just where we travel, they are where we live, feel, and truly love. Every street has their soul, its own unique narrative, and now it's time for our final breakfast dish, a truly delicate masterpiece. And here is our third breakfast dish, another culinary masterpiece of Hanoi, Bánh Cuốn Nóng, the steamed rolled rice pancake. Let's get inside. This is not just a breakfast, it's a sensory experience. The magic is lies in how freshly it's made, right in front of your eyes. It's thin, delicate steamed dry rolls, often filled with savory minced pork and good ear mushroom, then topped with crispy fried shallot and served with this incredible light dipping sauce. The warmth, the softness, the incredible freshness, it truly made it impressive. So 3 dishes, 3 experience, and countless stories hidden in every corner of Hanoi. And this is how the Hanoi people kick off the day. So, we have just explored 3 incredibly impressive Hanoi iconic dishes. Fast and curious style, and let me tell you, this journey has only just begun. So, do you want me to take you to another hidden gem of Hanoi? Or perhaps maybe try more unusual dishes in here? Or maybe you want me to guide you on to like another province of Vietnam? Let me know in the comment below. So, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss our next adventure with me. See you on the roads ahead. Cheers!